Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on adaptive brightness in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn our adaptive brightness on, we need to go to the settings menu here, and we have display options right here. Adaptive brightness, now it's turned off, let's turn it on. And now our screen will change depending on the intensity of the light. The extra brightness is only available when the adaptive brightness is turned off. With adaptive brightness turned on, the screen will automatically change depending on the light source and the light intensity. That was basically it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.